Keep your Tesla Model Y Juniper 2025 looking brand new, effortlessly. Are you tired of scratches, scuffs, and dirt ruining your Tesla's premium interior? It's time to upgrade your protection game with the rear trunk side anti-kick pad full coverage protection kit, the must-have accessory for every Tesla owner who values perfection. Why this product is a game changer. Your Tesla Model Y deserves more than basic protection. This full-coverage anti-kick pad kit is precision designed specifically for the 2025 Juniper launch, ensuring a perfect OEM-style fit, no gaps, no compromises. Full coverage protection protects both sides of your trunk from scratches, shoe marks, cargo friction, and daily wear. Custom fit for Tesla Model Y 2025 Juniper. Engineered for seamless integration, looks like it came straight from the factory. Premium durable material. Built to resist dirt, dust, stains, and long-term wear while maintaining a clean, luxury look. Easy installation, no tools needed. Install in minutes and instantly upgrade your trunk protection. Perfect for daily use. Whether you carry luggage, tools, groceries, or pets, your trunk stays spotless. Why Tesla owners love it. Tesla interiors are beautiful, but also highly vulnerable to scratches, especially in high-contact areas like the trunk. This anti-kick pad kit acts like a shield, preserving your vehicle's value and keeping it showroom fresh. Perfect for Tesla Model Y Juniper 2025 owners. Families, pet owners, frequent travelers, anyone who wants to maintain a clean, scratch-free interior. Resale-focused owners who care about long-term value. Upgrade your Tesla today. Stop worrying about scratches and dirt every time you load your trunk. Click the link below and give your Tesla the protection it deserves. Buy now at product link in the description. Final thought. This is not just an accessory, it's a smart investment in preserving your Tesla's beauty, value, and driving experience. Once installed, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Click the link in the video description below to check it out and grab yours today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment to share your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to our channel, Best Products 365, for more awesome tech reviews and smart shopping tips. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.